Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be day 4 putting a 289 in a 73 Comet. Today is going to be radiator hose fitment day. I got a bunch of pieces here. And I have the engine on the test stand. I need to see if any of these hoses that I have will fit. And if I need to cut any off. This thing here is too flexible. That's just not going to work. It's going to kink if I bend it. I got a pile of other hoses. I'm going to start fitting them in there. This got a real funny looking end on it. I have things pretty much ready to go. Just plugged off this water pump connection so it doesn't spray water. Carburetor's hooked up. Everything's hooked up. I got some gas in a tank hooked to the fuel pump. All you need to do is dump some gas down the carburetor, hang a couple mufflers on there, and then come over here and turn everything on here, and then turn the ignition on, hit that, and this works the throttle. Got things ready to start. Put some mufflers on there just to keep the noise level down. But first thing I'm going to do is hit the key or push the button. There's no spark plugs in it. We want to squirt all the oil out of the cylinders. On. And we got to watch for fuel pump there. Here we got gas coming through the fuel pump. Now we're going to put all the spark plugs in it and get ready to start it up.
We got leakage.
Yeah, we got a clamp. Yeah. All right, put a clamp on the radiator hose. We're just going to put a little gas in it, see if we can get it to putter. Okay. On. Here we go. That's all the oil I put in the cylinders.
All right. Yeah, it was spraying all up that gasket.
Yeah, okay.
Well, that sounded good, didn't it?
It was working.
All right.
Yeah, it's spraying. Okay, unfortunately, we got a water pump gasket leaking, so we're not going to chance starting it. You can see the water coming out of there, so I'm going to fix the water pump gasket and then we'll do the break-in. But we know it's going to run. That's a big plus.
Oh, yeah.
All right, the water pump is actively leaking because of the gasket, so I'm going to buzz that off there. And I've got a bunch of gaskets in my gasket box. So I'm going to set you up on time lapse and get to work. I got the water pump off, and there's a mismatch of the gasket over here. So I'm going to scrape that off there, clean all the gook off, and put on a new gasket. All right, I have a gasket. It's a FelPro gasket. It fits right in there. Now some of these gaskets don't have this divider bar here between the two ports. And this one you need it. So I got the correct gasket. I'm going to glue it up, bolt her down. Water pump gasket is complete. I think the pulley system is coming tomorrow, so I'm not going to bother putting all that together right now. It's going to be a short video. It's going to be the end of day 4, putting a 289 in a 73 Comet. Thanks for watching my channel. Please stay tuned for more episodes. Bye.